Hello guys, good morning. So this is Doc Franklin once again. So I have another customer this morning here in British Columbia. For these customers, he wants me to replace the stabilizer link on his car. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the AC steps and procedures on how to replace the stabilizer link on Explorer, Pod Explorer 2005 to 2010 model. So just tune in. To jack up the two tires, because you're gonna replace jack up on there, and then lift up little bit the tire. You need to put the support for safety. So after removing the tires, so you can now you can access now the stabilizer link. So this is the stabilizer link of this car. So this is the stabilizer here. Then the one is connected to your stabilizer bar. So this is your stabilizer bar, and this is your stabilizer link. So this is the one. The stabilizer link on this unit, you need to use 2 wrenches. So the other one is 21 mm, and with on the other side is 10 millimeter wrench in order to hold the bolt, and you can loosen the nut on this rod, so like this. I already removed the stabilizer link on this on the right side. So I'm gonna show you why I replaced this stabilizer link. So actually there is already a play. See, you can hear that. So that's why there is a sound on the front of this one. There is a clunking sound. So the other one is not yet. No have play on the other side, but on the lower side there is a big play, and you can notice also the boat is already damaged. See. and down there. So you have your idea. That's the brand new one, like that. So that's the brand new one.